What if I tell you that the ongoing trade war between US and India could change the way how NRIs invest in Indian real estate? Sounds crazy, right? But it is happening. Donald Trump's reciprocal tariff strategy is stirring up the global market. And if you are an NRI, this could mean either global opportunity for you or serious roadblock. Let's discuss this topic further in detail. So usually trade tensions lead to rupee depreciation. Now you must be thinking, will currency fluctuation prove to be advantageous for NRIs? Everybody knows that a weaker rupee value means NRIs earning in dollars getting more buying power in India. For example, if $1 is equals to 82 rupees today and further weakens to 85 rupees, then you will instantly gain rupees 3 lakhs per $100,000 investment. Now you would probably think that as an NRI this is the perfect deal for you. But beware, because unstable exchange rates could make it harder to repatriate profits, adding uncertainty to long-term returns. Now the next question rises, will the construction cost rise in India? Well, if India retaliates, tariffs on imported materials like steel, aluminium and electrical components could spike. This means delayed projects, rise in the prices of luxurious residential properties and costlier under construction homes. For NRIs eyeing on pre-launch deals, this could be a challenge. Now, can we see a shift in the investment trends in future? Strict US policies, compliance hurdles and higher taxes could really push the NRIs to invest more in Indian residential properties. Plus, tough H-1B visa rules could make owning a property in India a smart backup plan for many professionals. Now, the final question is where you should invest, commercial or residential? Well, the demand for office spaces in top cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Pune is booming. But if the FDI slows, rental yields might drop. Meanwhile, warehousing and industrial real estate could thrive because businesses are shifting supply chains to India. So will Donald Trump's reciprocal tariffs boost NRI investment in India or create new risks? I think while the protectionist policies added a layer of uncertainty, this has also opened the doors for those who are looking to capitalize on investment-friendly policies in India and also the favorable exchange rates. Ultimately, the key is to stay informed and act strategically. So no matter whether the change occurs all at once or over the time, Indian real estate market is ready to keep being an appealing target for NRIs. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such interesting content.